sanibonani bafethu. Kusase uye uAnele bafethu lo wakamthembu umkhulu gogo uzwane bafethu. Ngicela ukubonga kakhulu bafethu, ngicela ukubonga kakhulu kulabo osupportayo kakhulu umsebenzi wami bafethu, kulabo abangisupportayo bafethu. Ngiyabonga kakhulu iresponse yabantu yinhle ngendlela eyisimanga bafethu. Ngicela ukudlulisa nje ukubonga bafethu kulabo bantu abakwazi ukuthi basupport umuntu omnyama oyizamelayo bafethu, ozama ukuphusha impilo bafethu. Lento engiyenza iziphiwo angesabi futhi angithukile. Ningazama ungisabisa, ningazama ungithusa kulabo abazama ungisabisa. Lento ethongo ngiphiwe ithongo ngizoyenza, ngizoqhubeka futhi nokuyenza. Baningi abantu abangilandelayo, nibabili nibathathe ngicabanga ukuthi lokho enikwenzayo mhlambe kuzongicindezela, mhlambe kuzongilimaza, ngeke ngidlule into eningi ngabe empilweni. Ngicela ke bafethu ukudlulisa nje umyalezo kulabo bafethu labo abacabanga ukuthi lokhu abakukhulumayo ngami mhlambe khona kuzongithinta noma khona kuzokushintsha. Ayikho into ezoshintsha bafethu. Lento le ngendlela engiphiwe ngayo, ngendlela enginikezwe ngayo, akekho umuntu ozoyicindezela, akekho umuntu ozoyenza ukuthi ingayi phambili. Izoyiphambili ngenkani, uthanda ungathandi. Yayizwa lonto. Ngiyinyanga bafethu, ngudokotela. Ngiyinyanga ngudokotela. Uyathanda uthandi okwami lokho akuhlangene nawe, ukuthinta indawo, akukufuni futhi. Kamthembu bafethu akubiziwe umuntu ngenkani, akuceliwe umuntu ngenkani ukuthi aze nezinkinga zakhe. Wena ozaziyo ukuthi imaphi la umkhona. Mawufuna ukuzuzoza bafethu awuphoqiwe, musukwenza ngathi uthi uphoqiwe. Mhlawumbe khona umuntu okuphoqile ukuthi uze lana cha akunjalo, asabi futhi angicela umuntu amncengi. Hayi ungacabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe khona la engithinteka khona. Mungakuthandi lokho nginyanga ngudokotela, mungakuthandi lokho thatha intambo uyikhunge hambe ephonse wena ngendawo angihlangani futhi awuyena wakithi, awuyena mhlawumbe futhi wangakithi, angihlobene nawe. So uma umuntu edinga usizo bafethu, siza abantu thina la ekhaya, siza abantu kaMthembu, ngisiza abantu. So umuntu uma enenkinga akeze kakhulu bafethu azothola usizo. Bayeka abantu bafethu kuba negative empilweni, bayeka abantu bafethu ukuhlale befuna ukucinga izinto ezimbi kubantu, behlale becinga ama mistake. Yekani ukwenza leyo nto leyo, akufuni wena lokho, akuhlangene nawe. Khona kwenzekile, khona ongenzekile, awungendawo uthinte ngindawo mfethu, awuthinte ngindawo. Uhambile kusasa or awukho, kwenzakalani, uvukile awuvukanga. Ningangizwa kabi bafethu, ngicela niyeke lento leyo ukuthi nimoshe igama lami ku-social media. Ufuna ukuthi igama lami dicele phansi, umsebenzi wami dicele phansi. Ngisebenzele kanzima kabi lento leyo ukuthi ngize ngifike la ngikhona manje, bese qhamuka umuntu ofana nawe ezama ukucindezela umsebenzi wami. Abantu engibathagethile, abantu abanenhloso empilweni yokushintsha izinto zabo, abantu abafuna ukwenza umehluko empilweni zabo, abantu abafuna ukulungisa izinkinga zabo, abantu abafuna ukulungisa imizi yakubo, umuntu alungisa umsamo wakubo. Angizile kuwena uma unegative. Kunezinto ekumele uyinaka obhizi ngazo, naka lezo zinto lezo. Uyeke ukunaka mina mfethu nguAnele wakamthembu, angihlangene ngihlobene nawe, ngizosiza umuntu ofuna usizo. Yilokho bafethu engize ngakho. So ngiyacela bafethu nalabo bakwazi ukuthandaza babathandazele abantu bakwazi ukubhekana nezimpilo zabo. Uyeke ukumosha isikhathi sakhe esiningi ubheka izimpilo zabantu. Musukunaka umakhelwane ukuthi uwenzani, musukunaka umngani wakho, musukunaka umfweni, musukunaka usisi wakho, musukunaka omunye umuntu oseduze kwakho ukuthi wenzani. Enza izinto zakho empilweni. Namanje ngisasho mfethu mina, mawukuthi ufuna ukuthwala, ufuna isithwalo, sikhona isithwalo kaMthembu, sikhona isithwalo ngizokunikeza mina, isithwalo esihle. Asinazi izithwalo ezimbi thina. Lonke lezi zinto lezi enikhulumayo nicabangayo okwenu lokho. Into enhlanhla ikhona ekhaya, into enhlanhla ikhona nginayo, ngizokunikeza uma uyidinga. Uma ufuna usizo, ufuna ukushintsha impilo yakho, asijudge umuntu asisele ukuzokahlulela abantu emhlabeni. uNkulunkulu usilethele ukuthi sizokwenza lokho, sizophila leso sikhathi sethu, senze lokho kuzokwenza umehluko emhlabeni. Hayi ukuthi sizojudge abanye abantu. Uma ubhizi uleke ujudgeana nabanye abantu, uzoyinazi nini ezakhe iy'nkinga ngoba uney'nkinga mfethu ey'ningi, uney'nkinga musukuleke nje ufuna ukuthandwa ngegama lami, hamba ukhuluma kabi ngami, hamba ufuna ukudicilela umsebenzi wami kabi. Angizele wena, ngizela abantu, ngizosiza abantu abafuna usizo, hhayi wena mu-right, hlala lapho u-right khona. Awubiziwe, awuphoqiwe futhi ukuthi uzelana, musukuyihlupha ngami, musukuyixaka ngami. Bafethu, ngidlule nje lapho kulabo bantu labo. Ngicela ukuthi abantu baqhubeke benze ngendlela bafethu abaziswe ngayo, okufunayo ukuthola ilokho nje. So wena bhuti nawe sisi ucabanga ukuthi mhlambe mina ngiyesaba, angesabi, angithukile ngalento engiyenzayo, umsebenzi wami angesabi, angithukile. So ayikho into ezongithusa futhi ngoba mina baba mangidlula emhlabeni ngiyakwela amathongo, angiyi kulo uNkulunkulu omkhonzayo noma lo muntu ombizayo umuthandaza. Angilapho mina, ngiyakwela amathongo baba mangidlula emhlabeni. So angisabe, angithukile futhi nje angenqeni. Lento engiyenzayo ngiyayenzisisa futhi. Mfowethu mina understand ukuthi wena mawukuthi ukholelwa ukuthi mudlula la uya kuNkulunkulu wakho noma uya kulo muntu ombizayo umuthandaza, pho yini ungavele ungawuhlehlisi nje, ungawuhlehlisi umhlangano wakho omkhulu noNkulunkulu wakho nale ndodo oyibizayo, uvele uhambe namhlanje uthathe intambo uyikhunge noma uyiphonse wena, uhambe uyohlangana nale ndoda le wena uzohlangana nayo uma udlula la emhlabeni. So uyangixaka ngoba uyakusaba ukufa, usaba yonke into nje, kodwa ubhizi kunakele nabantu emhlabeni. Hamba manje, ungawuhlehlisi umhlangano omkhulu kanje noNkulunkulu wakho nale ndodo oyibizayo. Ngalingi uhlehlise lo umhlangano omkhulu kabi lo. Mina nguwena bengizovele ngihambe namhlanje noma nje ngizama ukuthi ngifonele abantu engibaziyo ngibatshene ukuthi mina nginomhlangano omkhulu noNkulunkulu wami, njengamanje sengiyahamba. So bazama ukwenza amalungiselelo. Mfethu awuhlukane namphansi, ungiyeke nje mfethu, uphume kumina. Ungangiphazamisi. Ngiyinyanga, ngiyalapha, ngiyasebenza, ngisiza abantu. Umsebenzi wami loyo. Angeke uzuphazamiswe uwe. Hlukana nama-social media pages wami, hlukana ne-WhatsApp yami, hlukana nje nokuleka ungifonela. Musukuleka ungifonela, ungangifoneli, angilindele ucingo liphuma kuwena. So ngicela ukuthi uhlukane namphansi, uye ukuleka ukukhuluma ngegama lami kabi, musukufuna udumo ngami. Ngiyacela mfowethu, ngicela uphume nje kimi, nginomsebenzi omkhulu kabi kufanele ukuthi ngiwenze, hayi wena.
Yeah, so my brothers and sisters, I'm getting like really good responses from people. My WhatsApp is very busy at the moment. You might find delays. I might, answer you in a while, after a while, because my WhatsApp is busy. So thanks to people who are responding positively to my videos. So thanks a lot, guys. Keep liking, sharing, and subscribing. Support, guys. So a lot of people are asking about the nickname Lucifer. So I kind of got that from friends and clients. So usually when I post my videos and everything on WhatsApp, so people started giving me the nickname Lucifer. So I don't have a problem with that because it was also part of my research, trying to find out what's happening in that world. So what I find out is there's a lot of secrets, there's a lot of conspiracies, a lot is created just to, colonize certain people. A lot is just done to colonize people. There's no truth in it. You follow it, you don't find anything. So I'm motivating. I'm liking the name because I just want to say, guys, let's stop looking at people negatively. Let's start looking at people positively. Let's start picking up the positive in people because, Usually when we do that, you know, the good in people, the best in people come out, and people become great people in life. So let's stop focusing on the negative. Let's focus on the positive in people. And that's when we're going to start making change in this world. So the spiritual side of things is exactly what I'm talking about. My sister, my brother, my father, my mother, my grandmom, come to me. Let's talk spiritually. Let's talk about life from the beginning to wherever life takes us. Let's talk about life. Let's talk about the things of life, you know. So when I specify spiritually and traditionally, that's what I'm talking about. Let's sit down, let's talk about life. Let's talk about life generally. A lot of people, guys, I've noticed a lot of people carry a lot of weight in their life. I've been there, I've done that, I've gone through crazy things in my life. I'm going to talk about a lot of that in the future. You know, just look out for the videos, they'll be coming. I'm going to talk a lot about that. I'm going to talk about my past, where I've been. You know, it's been a long journey. This road I'm in right now took about 8 years. It took about 8 years. It was very hard to accept. You know, when someone tells you you have to accept spirituality, you get shaken, you get scared, you know, you don't want to talk about it, you try avoiding it for years, and when you finally do, it's because you don't have a choice, you know. And I don't think we need to wait for that, you know. We need to start changing the view people have about spirituality. You know, let's try and modernize it now. Let's try and bring it to young people, because if we don't do that, we're going to lose who we are. We're going to lose where we come from. So that's my plan. I wanna bring it to the people. I want to bring it to the modern world. I want to bring it to the modern world and make people accept it, you know, make people feel more comfortable in accepting it. And I know there's a lot of things that we cannot change in it, but I think we can really look at the whole thing. We can really look at everything and look at the major things that need to take place. So people, stop putting so much weight in yourself. You know, what's the use of living life, you know, torturing yourself so hard, you know, when you don't even know when your last days are, you know. I think it doesn't make sense, you know. The least you can do is be happy spiritually, physically, and mentally, because when those things break down, trust me, you're not going to get anywhere. You're not going to get wherever you want to go, you know. But you gotta always appreciate the fact that, you know, you're one of the chosen. God placed you in this world, you know, giving you a chance, you know, that a very few have, you know, a very few wish to have, you know. So when you come to this world, you come, you know, naked, without anything. But as soon as you're here, you think you have to kill yourself, you have to die because someone took something from you. Look, every material thing remains in this world. You find it here, you leave it here. You need to be alive spiritually. Buffet, so let's start focusing on our spiritual side, you know. When your spiritual side is alive in you, when you focus on that, very little, guys, that we tend to throw ourselves in drugs and alcohol and everything. I've been there, I've done that, I've seen the worst, you know. There were times I've been in hospital, you know, in a hospital bed, because I entertained so much of that life. But as soon as everything changed, guys, I knew what was right from wrong, because when you start, you know, bringing your spiritual person alive, you understand and you see the importance of life. Everything else, guys, is just material. None of this is true. The day you go, you're gonna go the way you came, you know. You come to this world naked. You're gonna leave this world without anything. But what you'll have is your spirit. Your spirit needs to be alive wherever it's going. If you can't do it here, there's a little chance you can do it in the next world. So, guys, come, let's talk. Bring your child. Let me talk to them. I do one-on-ones. I go one-on-ones with people. I take counseling with people. I sit down. I make them see things, you know, people forget and appreciate, you know. It's time that our youth, stand up and fight for African people and fight for us, and fight for our culture. Because if we don't do something now, guys, it's going to vanish. It's going to go away. Our children will never know about it, and our journey will just be a failure. Our lives will be a failure. Our history will be a failure, because all we're doing is lose things, is lose the important things in life. Let's try and change that. Let's try and do something about it, So call me, guys, call me. Make sure you call me and send those people. Let's have one-on-ones. Let's sit down wherever you'll be comfortable and talk about life. We're not committing to a lot of things. We're just, relooking life, from where you stand. Usually what you think is so important is not so important. What you think is so hard in life is not so hard. It's your choice. You made those choices. You choose to torture yourself because you want to take on everything in life. You can't do it. You can't do it alone. You can't, guys. You can't. You need to let some things go in life so that you can fix yourself first. You can't sell anything to people if you are not fixed first. So fix yourself, organize yourself first. You come first, because guys, you came alone, you're going to go alone. I'm not saying don't love the people, but you gotta fix yourself first. You gotta be physically, mentally, spiritually capable of doing things in order to make changes in life. Let's not hold people for doing favors for them and end up deciding to kill them or do stupid things to them. You don't own anyone. No one owns you too. So let's stop doing that stupid thing. I think it's really stupid. Stop doing it. So guys, I'm going to keep talking to you. Just look out for more videos. Yeah, man, let's like and share these videos, and I'm expecting people's calls. Please respond. Thanks for those who are responding. Guys, anyone, there's no choice of culture. Anyone can get help.